How to remove muted accounts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings, and here you want to click on privacy, and then you need to scroll down to the connections section, and from there click on muted accounts. And here you will find all of the accounts that you have muted on Instagram. In order for you to remove one of these accounts from here, all what you need to do is click on it, and then click on the following drop down, then click on mute option, and here you need to turn both of these toggles off so you can unmute this account. And by doing that, you have just removed this mute account from the list. As you can see, if we go back, maybe you need to refresh the page, and there you have it. We can do the same with this account right here. Click on it, click on the following tab, click on the mute option, turn off these toggles to unmute the account, and when you go back and refresh the page, you can see that you have just removed this account too. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove the muted accounts on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.